Hey guys, welcome to Creators Hub. So today we have for you a new type of cover for Mi 11 Ultra. So actually we hunt down for different covers, and if we find something interesting we like to bring for you. So we saw many covers, and this one was like cheaper option for like only 300 rupees, and it was like a means they showed the same images like the XU-ND cover, which is selling for 800 rupees. So we thought let's give it a shot. So today the cover has been arrived. So this is the package that has been arrived. I have already opened it. So pretty much I will just give my impressions and let's see what. So the package was literally like this. Okay, I didn't do anything to it. Okay, let's see what's inside. Okay, so first see what package reads. So it says mobile back cover, best protection, then please rate us and valuable feedback, thank you for your support. Okay, and it says made in India, make in India, cases and covers, no MRP mentioned this side, mobile cover, the company information, white maximum. Okay, scratches and anti-scratch original. Okay, nothing here. Let's go inside. Okay, inside the package, is there anything else? No, nothing. So let's keep it aside. Okay, let's see the cover. So this is the front, the back. So at first when I saw this, I literally thought that it won't be cheap, really. But after I got the packaging and other things I saw, I was totally surprised, because this is okay. This is everywhere in the cover. Because let me show you. Let me keep this aside. So this is the cover, and you see this thing. They say this is acrylic and like super thin, but this is super thick, and this is not good. See, there are already these things marks on my acrylic. I won't take like this, and these holes. These are like super scratchy from inside. I think if I put my phone on this and if I take out and put in my phone like 2-3 times, my phone will already scratch from the bottom. And these, they say it's silicone. No silicone protection, but it's very hard. I don't like this type of covers. See, it's very hard. It's not like soft ones. See, this part is soft. This part is really soft. You see, I show from here. This part is really soft, but there is no back mic hole. See, there is no hole for the back mic, and this already is like the design that they showed on the Amazon listing. I will put the image on your screen. So it's like totally different. Like see the cutouts here. The image shows that it's full cutout, but here it's like only the periscope and the written part is not here. So I literally won't put this cover on my Mi 11 Ultra because I don't want to damage it. See these things, and it's pretty cheap for 300 rupee also. It's not like a 300, it's like a 100 rupee cover they're selling it. I will show you from here. Okay, if I can show, I will definitely show you from here. Okay, now my camera is focused. Let me show everything. This is very hard. I think it's for protection, but I don't like this type of protection. This like it looks super cheap, and this part is also hard. It looks soft, but no, it's hard. And you can see the bottom. So I thought that like no one's means in the review they never show the cover from inside, so I thought that I will show it from inside and let you know. And see this. This is like ew. I won't take my cover like this, so I would be returning it maybe. Let's see what I do. And here, see this. I haven't put anything like fingerprint marks. Okay, but these small dots, this is really ew. So I haven't put this cover on my Mi 11 Ultra, and I have my Mi 11 Ultra. Let me show you. So this is my Mi 11 Ultra, and I have this cover. So this I got for like 450 rupees, and it's pretty better than that one, you see. And it's like super soft. Like if you see the touch, the feel is very better than this one, really. And you see, so this is my Mi 11 Ultra, and I have, wait, let me show you. I have Android 12 in this. So wait for the next video. I will give a review about what's new in the Android 12 developer preview 2 on Mi 11 Ultra. So literally this is Android 12 and this is China beta ROM, and this is the latest version they gave just 2 days ago. So I will give you a review about this and I will tell you how it is. Okay, so and literally when you move this, my phone vibrates. It's a tick vibration like Taptic one. So really good feel, and it shows the current time also. Let me, yeah, I see now it's showing correct. I think I just tapped on it and it changes the time. So it shows the correct time, 8:39, and it's still buggy. I don't say it's not buggy. See, it's 21.900. It's buggy, but I would like to give you a review that how it is. It's quite stable after this is the third or fourth update in Android 12 for Mi 11 Ultra. So it's not that good, but we'll try to show you that how it is. And this widget is this just I put it, so I will show you many things in that. And for my guys that who don't subscribe and just watch the content and go, please subscribe this channel. There is a red subscribe button at the bottom of the video, below the video. Please subscribe so that we get more and more content for you. Your subscription, your likes, your comments shows the love and motivation for giving more such content. Okay, if you don't like anything, please comment, please tell us so we can improve. Bye bye. So guys, this for this just the video for the review, and this for the teaser for this Mi 11 Ultra Android 12 developer preview 2. So stay tuned. I will be coming with more content on this channel. So bye bye for now. Peace out.